Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you've been here before but you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, it helps YouTube know that I'm giving you great content. Comment in the comment section, share within and outside your circle. You know how we do. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this apron that can also be turned into a garden apron. It's easy guys, it's very beginner friendly. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys all the measurements you need to create this beauty. Let's get started.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it.
And guys, this is what the final result looks like. I love how it's turned out. I love how the pockets are. Like, you can still take your phone to the kitchen and you can put it inside this pocket without having to fear that your phone is going to fall into the water or anything. And you can also turn this into a garden apron just by folding it in and then wearing it just like that. You guys know I'm into gardening, so this is what I use basically anytime I'm gardening, anytime I'm doing my planting. If I want to save a piece of aloe vera or a vital thing that I want to use later on, I can put it in the pockets of this apron and my work will just keep on going smoothly. Guys, I love it. I hope you guys love it as well. If you try it out, please tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to showcase your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube. Please like this video. It helps YouTube know that I'm giving you great content. Comment in the comment section. Share this video within and outside your circle. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.